love, so right now I have my Sephora bag and I got it on today. Decided to pick up the Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is in the shade 385. Last year when Fenty Beauty came out, I picked up two shades, I think 390 and 370. This is 370. Yep, 370. It wasn't a great match and it's almost out. 390 is gone. I threw that one away because there was no more left. But I swatched I swatched 385 in the store. It looked like it was a match. So I'm going to shake this up. And I got a sample of their primer. I didn't purchase the primer. The Fenty Beauty Foundation was $34, and I also picked up a concealer in the shade 385. I did a vlog sharing with you all when I went into Sephora how 385 looked and how 370 looked, and I just went with the 385 because it looked it looked like it matched me and it gave me a slight highlight. I like that. And let's see what else I picked up. I also picked up a sample of their primer. I didn't want to purchase the primer because I am on a budget. So let's begin the video. I'm going to push my hair back out my face and begin. She gave me a lot of primer. Let me get my mirror. So, and I haven't did one of these videos in a long time, y'all. So bear with me, because I'm usually like doing vlogs and I haven't did a makeup tutorial in a while, but I'm coming back. This primer feels really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna shake this up and use, let's see, I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics brush. So let me pump. Okay, my loves, what do you guys think? Is it a match or what? So far in the viewfinder, it looks like it's a match. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer. This is 385. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it out. Okay, it pretty much covered my dark circles. I like that, and it gave a subtle highlight, not too drastic. So I'm going to just dot a little bit more. Yeah, so I pretty much like that. I didn't buy the powder because, like I said, I just purchased the powder from Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna use it up. And this is in the shade Blondie. Oh, I put too much. Okay, so I'm gonna tap that underneath my eye. And this does have a slight smell, like a perfumey smell, but it goes away. And I'll brush that away. Okay, so I will be back with the final look in a minute. Hey my love, so I'm back with the final look of the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 385. And so far, I believe that this is a great match. So I am really happy that the foundation came out. So I'm glad that she came out with 10 more shades, and the 385 matches me better. It has more of a yellow undertone, so it looks a lot better, and it doesn't look ashy like the 370. So let me show you guys how the 370 look. Let me pump that out for you guys that are my skin tone and that are interested. This is 370. I wish I had the 390, but I tossed that when I did my purge. And this is, so this is 390. I'm sorry, this is 385, and that is 370. So 385, the shade that I'm wearing today, and 370. So yeah guys, that is it. That's all I have for you guys. I thank you all for watching. If you want to know in detail of everything that I use for my face, I'll list it right down in the description area. All right, don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all. God bless.